Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in and thanks for subscribing and supporting our channel. We are getting very close to finishing over 22 Street Glide, and we're going to get into putting on some of the last goodies that we have. We got some floorboards, foot pegs, the air cleaner, brake pedal, shifter rod, all kinds of chromed out goodies, and we're about to install those here very shortly. So I'm very excited about that. And once again, thank you to everyone for subscribing. Alrighty guys, we're getting pretty close to finishing this bike up. We got the fatty front tire on. It's looking sweet. And we are about to put some other goodies on. We have new air cleaner that we're about to put on. We're going to put on the brake pedal, shifter, floorboards, rear pegs, to go ahead and finish up some of the other upgrades that we're going to be doing on this bike. We are simply waiting on the tins at this point. So we're going to throw these goodies on, and once we get the tins back, we'll be able to complete this bike, and a lucky subscriber is going to win this thing. That's right, 2022 Street Glide, fatty front tire. Everything's going to be chromed out to the max. Killer paint job, ape hangers, stretched side covers, stretched saddlebag, CVO rear fender. It's gonna be nice. This bike is going to be something else with the chrome combination against the Brandywine candy in black. You tell me what you think. It's coming together. We're about to throw on these other goodies, and about to get into it. Alrighty, check it out. I went ahead and unboxed our goodies. Floorboards, rear foot pegs, brake, shifter, air cleaner. These are all going to be installed very shortly on our bike. 2022 Street Glide. Getting some goodies. Alrighty, stay tuned. We're going to start off with the air cleaner, and then we're going to go ahead and install the brake, shifter, floorboards, and rear pegs. Bling this puppy out. Get this puppy done. 2022 Street Glide, fat front tire, custom build. Going out to one of you guys out there. Who's it gonna be? Let me know. Comment below. Is it gonna be you? So these are breather screws that have a hole going through them. piece of bling. Heavy breather air cleaner. Good. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. She's coming together. She's gonna breathe a whole lot better. And